More and more people are looking for one floor living. If that's you, this place might be just for you. Welcome to 544 Eaglewood Drive. As you pull up to this beautiful home, you're gonna see it's all brick construction, beautiful wide concrete driveway, single car garage. It's just a place that you really wanna pull up to. When you enter in through the front door, you're greeted with soaring ceilings, open concept spaces, and plenty of light. That's where I am right now. At the back of the home, it doesn't end. You have this beautiful big kitchen that overlooks the backyard. Bedroom sizes are generous. You have 2 on the main floor and 2 full bathrooms. Going downstairs, you're greeted with 8-foot ceilings in the basement. It's fully finished down there, beautiful rec room, and you also have a fully contained in-law suite at the back. It's 1 bedroom, it has its own exit out the back of the house, and it has its own laundry. This house has so much to offer to the right buyers, and if this is you, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call, schedule an appointment, and come check out this beautiful house. I'm Brandow with Remax Escarpment. Have a great day.